Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this creamy coconut milk chocolate mousse. It has only 3 ingredients and it's low carb, keto friendly, vegan friendly, dairy free, and it's super simple to make. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which gives the recipe, step-by-step instructions and lots of ideas for variations so you can create the perfect, ultimate, decadent 3 ingredient coconut milk chocolate mousse. So click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this chocolate mousse a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. I'm using a can of coconut milk that I've had chilling in the fridge for 24 hours, full fat coconut milk to make it lovely and creamy. I often just pop a can of coconut milk in the fridge so I can make this lovely chocolate mousse anytime I want to. And I've got cacao powder, you can use cocoa powder, and then the third ingredient is sweetness of choice. You can use maple syrup, you can use stevia, you can use sugar, you can use anything you like, just depends on your dietary requirements. So we're going to start by opening up the can of coconut milk and popping it into a large bowl. I've got my large bowl here. You can see the coconut milk is completely solid, so just carefully pop it all out into the bowl. And the coconut water that you find at the bottom, you can save that to pop into smoothies. So just carefully pop all the coconut milk out into the bowl. And then we're just going to blend it until we've got coconut milk whipped cream. That's perfect. And if you just want whipped cream, that's how you make coconut milk whipped cream. But we're making a chocolate mousse today, so I'm going to add in the cacao powder. Go for 2 to 4 tablespoons, just depends how chocolatey you want it. And then just add in 2 to 4 tablespoons of stevia, sugar, maple syrup, your sweetness of choice. Just depends how sweet you'd like it to be. And then just blend it till you've got a lovely creamy chocolate mousse. Look at that beautiful creamy decadent chocolate mousse. I definitely suggest having a taste of it now and see that it's sweet and chocolatey enough to your liking, and then just add more sweetness or chocolate depending on how you like it. And now I'm just going to move it into a serving bowl. And there you go, my beautiful coconut milk chocolate mousse. You can really enjoy this straight away. It's lovely and creamy, or you can pop it into the fridge to help it set a little bit further and then just enjoy it within a day or so if it lasts that long. It's such a decadent, lovely treat with just 3 ingredients, as you saw. Perfect, lovely. It's low carb, keto friendly, vegan, dairy free, everything dessert. But that is the video for today for how to make this lovely coconut milk chocolate mousse. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this chocolate mousse a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.